wanted to have a very dramatic, you know, presence. So the main character is, you see the flowing line of the side. It's like one very bold character line, and it kind of defines a twisting surface. Like we're saying, it's like a force of nature, like almost like a tornado, if you like. And the line is very, you know, kind of, it goes all the way from the front, go all over the rear. So it kind of sets up a nice space for the muscle and around the wheel arches. The front is very much inspired by our like Formula 1 connection with Red Bull. So you have a very like performance feeling in the floating wings, and then you have also the lights with the typical kind of eyeball expression, but in a more technical way. And these lines run all the way through the back. And then when you go to the back, another big feature of Infinitis is this kind of crescent-shaped D-pillar. So and this one I think is very successful. It's very like we have a very compressed greenhouse, so and it makes for a very kind of 3D expression. Like it's very architectural. It's not just a graphic. So and it's a nice piece, you know, integration of the sculptural elements that we have. And then another interesting idea I think is the kind of flow of the glass of the rear going into the lights. And very clean. It really pulls the width of the glass to the sides to have a, you know, sets you up for a nice stance, if you like, again. And yeah, and you see also a lot of carbon fiber like elements can show us, or like inspiration by the Red Bull, if you like. First of all, for the interior, we want to create like a very striking like interior with we're showing really the width of the car, the spaciousness. So you can see we have a very strong horizontal movement. And then on the other end, we also wanted to give a feeling like that the driver is in control, so very driver-oriented feeling. And that's why we have this kind of asymmetric kind of structure. It's kind of very architectural. It's very bold, kind of two-tone materials that we use to kind of have this impact from when you're outside the car, you know. And then if you look then at the details, we really want to like spend really a lot of attention to get details very nice and intricate. Like for instance, you can look here at the vent. You know, we have a nice satin finish of the copper, and then inside it's kind of high gloss. So it's kind of something you would see in jewelry, like watches, watch design. Also the different layers of the binnacle here with the meter. You can see it has like some intricate like fluting on the inside of the, you know, of the meter, like cylinders. Also, when you look maybe at the door design, we want to have a little bit, you know, of the mystery that is happening on the exterior surfacing. The very sculptural shapes that give like very interesting reflections, and you know, you pick up these kind of dots of light. And so we're really playing with the materials, reflection. We used copper as well for the different finishes around the car, and I think the finishes here on the inside handle and the door vents are very successful with a nice satin feel, and then inside you have glossy surfaces, so how they work together. I think it was all about balance, really how to create a nice balance between glossy, satin, you know, the color accents we have. And I think when you come into the interior, you really feel like a premium environment.